If you need to add a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to turn any piece of text into a clickable link, step by step, so you can create professional documents in just a few minutes. This is super useful for reports, notes, school documents, business files, and anything else where you want readers to jump straight to a website or online resource. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps you updated with more useful tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When LibreOffice opens, look at the left side under the Create section and click on Writer Document. This will open a new blank document in LibreOffice Writer, which is where we'll add our hyperlink. Now type the text you want to turn into a link. This could be something like a website name, a call to action, or any text you want readers to click. Once you've typed it, click and drag your mouse to highlight the exact text. This step is important because LibreOffice will turn only the selected text into a hyperlink. With the text selected, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, click Hyperlink. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K if you want a faster method. Both options will open the hyperlink window. In the pop-up window, you'll see several options on the left side. Click Internet. This tells LibreOffice that you want to link to a web address. After that, look for the URL field and type or paste the link you want to use. Make sure the link is correct, because this is where your selected text will send people when they click it. If you want, you can also double-check the text at the top to make sure the displayed text is what you want readers to see. The visible text and the actual web link do not have to be the same, which is helpful if you want your document to look clean and professional. Once everything looks right, click OK. LibreOffice Writer will now apply the hyperlink to your selected text. You should see it become clickable, usually with a different style or underline depending on your settings. At this point, your hyperlink is ready to use. To test it, hold Ctrl and click the link, or simply save your document and check that the hyperlink works correctly. If the page opens in your browser, then you've done it properly. And that's how to add a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. You can use this same method anytime you want to link websites, resources, or references inside your documents. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful LibreOffice guides and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.